Hi everyone, Martin here. Some products come and go, but every now and then something earns a permanent place in someone's life. This is one of those stories. This testimonial comes from Merlin, who discovered miracle soap over 10 years ago and has been using it ever since. She has always been mindful about what she uses, looking for products that are simple. Merlin shared, I use this soap for everything from laundry, personal hygiene, cleaning glass, cleaning my glasses, general cleaning, shampoo for me and my dog, toilet bowl cleaner, and everything in between. This one product became her go to for just about everything. And with sensitivities and allergies, she found something just as important. It worked without causing unwanted reactions. Love this product as it is a true miracle for me. Thank you for sharing your experience, Merlin. It's always powerful to see when something simple and reliable makes such a big difference. If you're looking for a versatile, everyday solution you can feel good about using, Miracle Soap might be worth exploring. Check it out. Click the link in the description. This is Martin Pytela, restoring vitality to you and the planet.